I'm Gayatri.
I'm Rahul. Welcome to Gayatri's World Kitchen.
And happy National Margarita Day.
Yeah.
So what do you do on National Margarita Day?
Well, clearly you make margaritas. And so here we are to make a quick and easy margarita.
And you don't pass up an opportunity for margaritas.
Yeah. And sometimes you want to do something a little bit different than a regular old lime margarita.
Yeah, just twist it up a little bit.
So today we're going to do an orange ginger margarita. And I can guarantee you this thing is a winner.
It is. I've already had a sample.
Okay, so first things first, we need our ingredients. So just quickly walk you through our ingredients. I have half a fresh cut orange, a whole clementine that I've quartered here. Then we have salt for the rim of the margarita glass, and I'll show you how to do that. And then for the margarita itself, we have some agave, which keeps this margarita on the skinny side. I have a Domaine de Canton, which is a ginger liqueur. And the star of the show, the tequila. I have tequila añejo here. So, important for our margarita, the garnish. So for the garnish, I've just got a whole clementine here. And I'm going to cut it up into slices. And I'm going to use one of these slices to garnish the glass. And in order
Maybe we should use the quick slice next time.
Maybe we should. But what I'm going to do here is just put a slit through one of my clementine slices so that I can put that on the edge of the glass when we're done.
Always make it pretty, right?
All right. I've got a plate of salt, Himalayan pink salt, because this margarita is a little on, what shall we say, the hoity-toity side.
What does that mean?
It's got love in it.
Okay.
And then with my citrus press, I'm going to go ahead and squeeze the entire clementine. Guys, would you mind quartering up that orange for me, if you don't mind?
Not at all.
So that's a whole clementine again and half an orange. And I'm just gonna squeeze each quarter at a time. Again, we're making this with love, so it's, we gotta put a little muscle into it.
And probably some of our citrus is getting a little bit older.
But here we are, and that's 3/4 of a clementine, and it's really juicy.
Yeah, you may want to juice this in a bowl first, maybe?
Maybe, but
or
here,
use a juicer.
Because I use this cocktail maker and the citrus press, it makes it easier. Yep. And then I've got, that's the nice part about the citrus press is that it's like gets all the juice.
It does. You can definitely use a juicer or and adjust
a zester if you wanted to.
If you wanted to.
All right, so
in there.
2 more pieces of orange in here, and the part that I love about this margarita is that it has fresh orange and clementine juice in it.
It is perfect for like the cold winter.
So by the time I'm done in here, I'm gonna have 2 ounces of juice, which is exactly what makes this margarita super yummy.
Can we count that as healthy? I mean, it does have orange and citrus and vitamin C.
All right, so that's done.
Okay.
All right, half an orange, 1 whole clementine is in here, and you can see all the juicy orangey goodness at the end of the...
So Rahul, you're having this margarita to get some vitamin C. How's that? That's good, right?
That's good. For you. An ounce of agave, and I'm going to use my little jig in here, and it has little notches which have measures on it, which I can see very clearly. So an ounce of agave.
Got it.
Now, I'm going to put in an ounce of the Domaine de Canton, which is the ginger liquor, and this adds a really nice warm ginger backdrop to this margarita.
It's definitely a great margarita for a cold day. You know, it's got all the good stuff in it.
With cocktails, it's all about the measures. And the way you get the measures right is by actually measuring them. So if you're into cocktail making, it's really important that you invest in something that you can measure things.
So a little bit
with.
like baking.
Yes, exactly. 2 ounces of very good tequila.
I'm told it's very good tequila, so I better drink my entire drink.
Okay, now I'm gonna prepare the glass.
That's
Okay?
Rahul's favorite part.
And to prepare the glass, I'm just gonna use one of these orange squeeze pieces that I've got left over here. And I'm just gonna use that to all around the rim of my glass. And this margarita is served best without ice. This margarita is served best straight up, okay? So I rimmed, I put the orange peel around the rim, rub the orange peel, and now I'm gonna put it right into my Himalayan pink salt here. I'm just gonna rub it in so that I get a nice rim all over the edge of the glass, okay? So there's that, and I've got a nice pink salt rim on here.
Yum.
All right.
And that salt is good. Is it
Now-
the Pampered Chef Himalayan salt?
You bet it is. And now, with everything that I put in here in terms of liquids, I've got ice, and I'm just gonna give that a quick shake.
I feel like I need some Moroccan to shake it up.
Now, the nice part about this is that this shaker is made out of metal, and it's really important because I know it's ready and done when my hands are super cold.
I'm glad it's him doing it, not me. I'm already cold.
Okay, and the reason that's good is because we want the margarita to be cold. We don't want to serve it warm. So when my hands get cold, I know that the margarita is cold. And then I'm just gonna I'm gonna put the strainer on, and I'm gonna pour the margarita into the glass
Let's make sure it all lands in the glass.
with a little clementine garnish. And there you have an orange ginger margarita. And I promise you, it's one of the best margaritas you'll ever have. It really knocks your socks off.
Yep. Cheers!
Cheers, everybody. Hope to see you soon at Gayatri's World Kitchen.
Let us know if you are making some margaritas and post pictures of your margaritas in the comments. And feel free to share